now here continue with the CSWP simple exam practice, and this is the last part of CSWP simple exam. So gonna make this drawing, so they are a big change here. Gonna make this drawing here, right? And we'll start with the question number 4, and we'll start by delete this counterboard and also the extrude right there. And as you can see here in the drawing, so we have as well change in the chamfer. Used to be 45, now is 30, and as well this cut in one of these cylinder. Okay, let's now here do this drawing right there. We'll start here by suppress this counterboard. Come here and then click suppress. And then I will as well suppress this extrude. Come here, click suppress. So once I click suppress, it will disappear and will give this error. Don't worry about the error. Let's now fix this error. I will go to the fillets because the error is in the fillets. So I used to have 6, now have only 5. Come here, edit fillets, and I will delete all these missing edge right there. Just here, delete all the missing edge. Now I need here to add one more because there are 5, as you can see in the drawing. Come here, right, and then click to this edge, and then it is done. So we have here 5 edges, which is good. Now let's here work in this cylinder here, make that cut. For that, I will go to the rollback in this extrude. Okay, so now we need here to make the size. So you have 2 ways to do that. The first one is by making a plane, right? Make a plane, and this plane move 30 degrees according to the drawing, as you can see there, and just convert an entity and then make offset from that one, and then go ahead. The other one is what we'll do now, which is the best and the simple one, by simply use the extrude cut and offset. Let's now here go ahead and do that. So we'll start by sketch, then I will here offset this outside circle by 10 according to the drawing, as you can see here. So we have 10 and then reverse position. Now it is done. Now here we're gonna go to the features, right? And then in the feature we're gonna here use the extrude cut, and make sure that you use the offset. The offset here will be of 30 according to the drawings. This will avoid the have to use the plane, and then make sure here the position, and as well here, very important, you must use, flip to cut out. So if you don't flip to cut out, the cut will be there but will not be will be inside. So you want to cut outside. Make sure that this flip to cut out is checked. So if you don't check, see what happens. So if I remove the flip to cut out, we'll just come here, right, and then do all these, right? See what will happen, right? See what happened. It will cut, but the cut will not show up. So see what happened. As you can see, I don't see the cut, but the cut is there. So you want to avoid that. So that's why let's say here, go back and then edit, and then click flip to cut out, and then click OK. So now flip position here, make sure that you have the right position, and then click OK. So as you can see, we have there the cut because we flip to cut outside. So that's the way you should use. Now let's here go and then end this rollback. For that, we just need to come here, right, to this 3, and then right clicks, roll to end. And then we'll just go to the initial position. So we have this part complete. Now let's here work on the chamfer. The chamfer used to be 45 degree, now is 30 degree. Let's now here work on that, and we're going to just here, right, in this chamfer, we just need to change to 30 degree. Okay, let's now here go to the chamfer edit as well, and the degree will be 30 degree, so not 45 anymore. Just make here the point. Okay, good. Now click OK. So we have as well this part complete. So now let's here make that cut on the back, right? So we have here one cut on the back, which is the last one here. So let's now here make this cut, on the back, and also we have there some chamfer or some fillet. We'll just come here and then sketch. Now I need here first to offset the line, some lines. We need here to offset. We'll just here select some edges on the drawing. We'll select this edge first and then offset, and then here will be 10 reversed position. Good. Now we'll as well select this line here, and then also rest position. So I think it is the right position. Let's see, check. Okay, that is the right position. Okay, and then click OK. We'll do the same thing from this edge here, then flip position. Okay, so this part I will just here extend this line Okay, just move like that and like that to cross. Now let's here use the trim. We'll just here type. Okay, make this line first. Click there, almost there. Make as well one the line. Make sure that they are vertical and horizontal, so straight line. Okay, good. Now let's here use the trim. I will just here S and then I'll go to the trim. Just trim, power trim, and we'll just here cut all the unwanted line. They are all unwanted line. Okay, like that, and as well in this position like that. So we have this cut all here. So what is the size for the cut? So the size for the cut we have also here, right? So it is a 5 from the surface. So I will go back to the features, extrude the cut, and I will here use offset from the surface, and I will go back and select this surface, put here 5, and click OK. So we have this cut is well done. Now the last thing that is missing is the fillets. They have 3 fillets of 10. Let's now here go ahead and do all this fillet right there. So let's here go and then come here right to the fillet and select one of the edges, and then just come here right to this automatic, right? And then we'll select automatically all the 3. Okay, so we have 3 edges, and then click OK. So 10, ready 10, and then click OK. So this part is complete. Now let's here continue answer the question. Number 4. Make sure that you save, because here we are in the part, the question number 4. Just put here 4A, save. Good. Now I need as well to rebuild to reflect the changes in my drawing. So it is also done. Now let's come here right and then continue answer the question. So the density is the same, material as well is the same. We need here on to change the parameter. So from global variable A to E, and as well there is here a note that the Y as well change. So we need here as well to pay attention on that, on the Y is also changed. So come here, equation, manage equation, and start here, change all the one. Here will be 2 to 1, and B will be 211, and C will be 165, and we have as well D 121 and E 37, and X will be the same, no change, and here Y will be plus 15, so that's the change there, plus 15, and we have here all the changes. So this part here is complete. Now we need here to go OK, and as well save, rebuild as well, very important here to reflect the changes. And now we need here to measure, so measure the mass of the part, and we need here to compare with the answer key. So what is the mass of the part? Let's see real view, just like that. Okay, good. Let's now here go ahead and then go to the evaluate mass properties. So here we have this one here, okay, 1326.38. So now let's here go ahead. The answer here is B, right? So there is a slight difference of 2, which is okay, because you should have the answer 99% to 100, not below 99%. So as you can see here, so we have the right answer, which is good, which is according to the, now as you can see here in the answer key, question 4, it is also B, so which is right. So you can miss a little bit here, but between 99%, so you can just fail 1%, not more than that. So we are within the range, so it is good. Now let's here go ahead and answer as well the question number 4. Number 4, they here simply ask to update the parameter, so global variable from A to E. Let's now here go ahead and then also change all these according to the question number 5. So we'll just here first manage the equation, and then here we need here as well to change, right, the A, B. So the A will be 229, B will be 217, C will be 163, D will be 119, E will be 34, and X will be the same, and Y also is well the same. So we'll just here reflect according to the A and the B. Now click OK. So and here we need to save as, so this is the part 5, we'll just here put 5a, okay, save. Then I will as well rebuild to reflect the changes. Now let's here evaluate what is the mass of the part, and let's see if you have the right answer according to the answer key. So what is mass of the part? Evaluate mass properties, rebuild first again, mass properties. As you can see, so we have here this answer, right? Let's now here check if you have the right answer according to the answer key. So as you can see, we have the same answer, so 14,208.00. So that's the answer for the question number 5, and we complete this part. I hope you like, and please don't forget to subscribe, consider to watch this video here as well, and share with a friend. See you to the next one.